Hi, so a lot of you have gotten confused and forgot on how to save your computer, your work to your computers and all that, and make a folder. So I'm going to walk you through the process. So I want you to come to your desktop. Remember, this is your desktop. We're going to right click on your desktop with your mouse, click New. We're going to come up here to Folder. Click on the folder. We're going to title the folder either the name of your song. If you're not sure which song you're going to do yet, which you should need to know by the end of today, we're just going to title the folder Song. Um, and this is going to be on your desktop. So as you gather up your images, you can save everything here in your song folder. Now I'm going to come to my Google Chrome. I'm going to open it up. Yeah, you need to go away. Let's see, I'm going to open up a new tab. I'm going to come to Images. And I'm going to start looking for images that will replace every single word in my song. As you guys know, I'm doing Puff the Magic Dragon. So I already know I have my Puff and I have my Magic. Now I want to look for something that says by the sea. So I want to find a picture of the ocean. And this is pretty. So I will just pick this one for now. This one actually looks kind of cool, but oh, so many choices. But then again, you don't want to spend 20,000 hours looking for this because we need to get these projects done. So right click on the image, save image as, and I want to click on my desktop and I'm going to click on that folder file. I want to just put everything automatically into there because as you notice, they've changed the settings and we don't have our OneDrive over here like it used to be. I want to title this for my word, the sea. So when I need to use this image for that phrase, the sea is going to be there. It will already be in my folder. Let me minimize. I'm going to come here and it didn't go into my folder. I can see the image right here. So since it didn't go in there, I need to drag it into my folder. Silly thing. And we'll find another image. We'll do this again. I want to look for a boy picture because I know I'm going to need something cute for, oh, that's fancy. Not fancy. Pick this one. Going to save image as. Click on my desktop again. Click on the folder. Click save. I'm going to title it boy. Save. All right. So I'm going to be done with this. I'm going to come to my PowerPoint. PowerPoint. Click new. On the very first slide, it's going to be, I'm going to go to my Puff file, find picture. We have the sea. Now I know that I saved in my OneDrive. This is on my desktop. But if I have, or if you have put everything into your OneDrive file, which is where everything should be for those that can do it, click on your Pictures Online, and it should have a button here that says Pictures from OneDrive. So when you click on that, then you can access all of the pictures that you have saved in your OneDrive. And I'm going to scroll down, oops, too far, to my Puff the Magic Dragon. I'm going to get my Puff. Come on, it's being slow. Let's go. You can do this. All right, open. Whoops, did it. There we go. What did I forget to do? I forgot to create a new page. So new slide, blank, add slide. Get my Puff. I'm going to cut. Oops, forgot. Control X, click on my slide, click back here, Control V. It will paste my slide. But this slide needs to come up here because this is Puff, the magic dragon. Now I also have another picture in here. I need to add a new slide. New slide. So this is Puff, pictures from Onedrive. Not here. I have too many files. I've been playing with too much of this. Oh, I don't think I saved it. That's all right, because I can come here and I'm going to search. I don't want to search. I'm going to search for magic. Not magic school bus. I want an image. I forgot to click images. Click images. This is pretty. This is pretty. This is cool. I like this. So I'm going to right click, save image as. I'm going to title it magic because this is going to represent my magic word. Boise, don't know. I want desktop. I want it in my song. So I'm going to make sure I'm following the right path. PC, desktop, song. And I want it with the rest of these pictures. So back to presentation. Click here. Picture. Magic. Okay, so we have Puff. And I'll have to find something. The magic dragon lived by the sea. But all those different words need to be, I kind of like the shape of that. That's much better. So all the words, you have to have a slide for every single word. So just continue this process until you have a lot of slides. Now, if you have all of your work saved on your OneDrive and you know you're going to be wanting to work on this at home, then come to your OneDrive. You can click Upload and you can click Folder, and it will take you to your desktop. See Desktop, Song, click your Song folder, and click OK. And it will put that song folder into your OneDrive, and it will free up your desktop, and everything will be right here. And again, it's alphabetical, and it will show up where it says song. So happy hunting. Please remember to use clean songs with no inappropriate stuff. You need a slide for every single word, and you need to name your pictures by the word that you are replacing it with. Bye.